G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make a pot of gold cake. This is really easy to make and it's super yummy. So let's go.
Simple Cooking Channel.
Now just bake a cake. I've done a 6-inch cake. You can bake a bigger one if you want. If you want to just know how to bake a cake, I've got plenty of different cake recipes on my channel. Or if you just want to make it easy, just buy a packet and add what you need to add to it. So once you've let it set and you've taken it out, we want to get some frosting. You can once again make some frosting, and I've got some recipes on my channel, or you can just buy some pre-made. And we want to put all this frosting around the edges. Alright, now that part's done. Now you can let it set in the fridge a little bit, or you can just add the little fingers to it now. So I use these things called fingers. You could use Kit Kats if you want for this. And just place them around the side like so. Now before we put this in the fridge to set, get some, like little gold coins, it's got the chocolate in it. Chuck them in it. This is going to be a little pot of gold. Yummy! Now just chuck this in the fridge for about 20 minutes to let it set. Well, I hope you like this. Oh yeah! Really simple. Looks pretty cool. I'll see you next time for my next meal.
Simple